Mastering, in conclusion, enhancing your English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're going to delve into a very common, yet powerful phrase, in conclusion. Understanding how and when to use this phrase can significantly improve your writing and speaking skills in English. So, let's get started. In conclusion is a phrase used to signal the end of a speech or a piece of writing. It's a way of preparing the listener or reader for the final thoughts or summary of what has been discussed. It's similar to saying, to sum up, or, in summary. This phrase is particularly important in formal writing and public speaking, as it helps to organize thoughts and provides a clear signal that the conclusion is approaching. In academic or professional settings, in conclusion is a crucial part of structuring an argument or presentation. It indicates that you are about to summarize the main points or provide a final perspective on the topic. It's a cue that helps the audience understand that the discussion is wrapping up and that they should pay attention to these final thoughts. While, in conclusion, is widely used, there are other phrases that can serve the same purpose, offering variety and nuance to your language. Examples include, to summarize, ultimately, to wrap things up, lastly, all things considered. Using these alternatives can add flavor to your language, especially in longer speeches or texts, where repetition of, in conclusion, might become monotonous. When using, in conclusion, keep these tips in mind. 1. Be concise. The conclusion is a summary, so keep it brief and to the point. 2. Reinforce main points. Quickly revisit the key points of your discussion. 3. Avoid introducing new information. The conclusion is not the place for new arguments or information. 4. Leave a lasting impression. Try to end with a powerful or thought-provoking statement. That's all for today's lesson on, in conclusion. Remember, this phrase is more than just a signal for the end. It's an opportunity to effectively summarize and leave a lasting impact on your audience. I hope this session has been helpful in enhancing your English communication skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next session.